Shark Matrix, RV2310AE, Robot Vacuum, should you buy it? The Shark Matrix Robot Vacuum is a wonderful choice for anyone looking for a powerful and reliable vacuum that can handle both carpets and hard floors. It has a self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days of debris, so you don't have to worry about emptying the dustbin as often, and it comes with a variety of features that make it easy to use, including full control of the vacuum from the SharkClean phone app. It also maps out your entire home before its first vacuum pass and lets you program all the rooms of your house in. You are also able to set no-go zones if you'd rather not have the vacuum tackle those areas. Pros: plus excellent overall cleaning performance, especially for a robot vacuum. Plus, LiDAR navigation is very accurate and removes a lot of the tedium of needing to move your room around for the vacuum to do its job. Plus provides 3 different power levels for cleaning: Eco, Normal, and Max. Plus easy-to-use app allows user to add multiple rooms and select specific locations that need particular attention, while also doing scheduled cleaning. Plus empties itself and has a large bin that should only need to be emptied every 1 to 2 months, depending on your home and how frequently you clean. Plus anti-hair wrap is helpful for pet hair and requires less maintenance for detangling. Plus, can be controlled with Google Assistant or Alexa. Cons: can have some difficulty with pet hair depending on the type of pet hair and the surface it is vacuuming, which can be more or less effective. Extra height from the LiDAR sensor on top means it will have a harder time fitting under low furniture, like certain tables, couches, or chairs. The Shark Matrix robot is decent for bare floors. It can clear away the majority of solid debris on this surface type within a pass or 2, though it might not be the best option for cleaning tile floors with deep grout lines, as it doesn't have sufficient power to really suck out heavier debris. Its LiDAR mapping sensor allows for fairly quick and precise mapping, but room coverage could be better. It also has quite a few components that you'll need to clean periodically. We run the Shark Matrix on the debris-covered floor, letting it complete 2 full cleaning cycles on the maximum suction power. We then measure the remaining debris by weight and compare it to the starting amount of 2.0 ounces. This comparison to the baseline assists us in determining performance. Cleaning performance was excellent for the Shark Matrix on all floor types. It had nearly perfect results on hardwood, only missing an incredibly small amount of sugar. Low and high pile carpets weren't as close to perfection but still managed fantastic results. Compared to the average across all robot vacuums we've tested to date, the Shark is significantly better. On average, we see robot vacuums remove 89.1% on low pile carpet and 89.7% on high pile. In the case of the Shark, it missed sugar and kitty litter on both floor types, but that is a common issue for most robot vacuums. Regardless, its overall debris removal rate of 97.3% proves it is more than capable for any debris or floor type. To further test cleaning performance, we put the Shark Matrix against long strands of hair to check to see how well it manages tangles. We measure 0.3 grams of hair and place it on hardwood flooring. Next, we let the robot run over on the highest suction power and check the floor for remaining strands and Brushroll for tangles. Long hair performance was excellent for the Shark Matrix. While a few strands remained wound around the Brushroll and spinning side brush, it wasn't a lot. In addition, what remained was easy to remove. None of the hair got so tightly wound that I required scissors to cut it off, instead, only requiring my fingers to simply pull the hair away. Pet hair test. Our final cleaning test checks how well the Shark Matrix handles pet hair in high-pile carpet. To test this, we Nestle 1.0 grams of pet hair into the carpet fibers and run the robot vacuum over it twice on the highest suction setting. After the test, we measure how much of the pet hair remains by weight. Overall, pet hair performance wasn't the best for the Shark Matrix. It only removed 43% of the hair from the carpet after 2 cleaning passes, which isn't the majority of the hair. The Shark Matrix is the best Shark robot vacuum we've tested so far, cleaning well on carpeted and hard flooring surfaces. It's also priced well, especially when considering that it has both an auto-empty bin and LiDAR navigation. Should you buy the Shark Matrix robot vacuum? I would recommend the Shark Matrix robot vacuum if you're looking for the following features: excellent cleaning performance, The Shark Matrix removed 97.3% of all debris in our cleaning tests, showcasing fantastic cleaning performance. Additionally, it managed long hair with ease, removing all of it from the floor and keeping practically all of it from tangling around the brush roll. While it struggled with pet hair, it managed all other cleaning tasks with little to no issue. Bagless Dustbin. The charging station for the Shark Matrix not only automatically empties the robot's dustbin, but also does so without a bag. This reduces long-term maintenance costs, and it can hold up to 45 days of debris according to Shark. Navigates well. While it lacked obstacle avoidance technology, the Shark Matrix navigates well and quickly. In 40 to 50 minutes, it cleaned our 1,000 square feet office and studio space and returned to the base successfully. It didn't